let's get cooking, baby.
Hey guys, Bushcrafty Cooks back again. And we got some prime, delicious bacon grease. And today we're going to make some soup. We're going to make a potato or cabbage potato soup with some sausage. Okay, I've got my sausage right here. It is a sweet sausage. You can use any sausage you want, but on a cold day, oh man, nothing better than a nice warm bowl of soup, right? So I'm gonna dump that up in there like so. And as soon as this gets a sizzling and a cooking, we'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, it is sizzling away. That means it's time to start adding some spices to get some flavorness to this. And the first thing we're going to go with is, you guessed it, garlic powder. Okay, the first thing, like I said, is some garlic powder. Go ahead and put a teaspoon and a half in there. We're going to add some Italian seasoning. 2 teaspoons. And we have some onion powder. Even though we're going to be adding onion powder, we're still adding onion. Get that mixed up. And it's getting smoky, isn't it? Okay, we're about ready. Let's go ahead and add the onion. So I'm going to put a whole onion in there. Some pieces are bigger. I kind of like to get the smaller pieces so they'll break down faster, and the bigger pieces so it releases at a much later time. If that makes sense at all. We'll go ahead and let this cook down a little bit before we start adding the rest of our goodies in here. And you may get some burnt ends down at the bottom, but those will come up once we put our broth into the pot. Okay, time for the next stage. We've got some beef broth. We're going to go ahead and put that in there. There we go. Now you can get that stuff that was sticking to the bottom there. All the sugars and stuff. It's coming right up. And that's flavor right there. Oh yeah. Okay, now we got to do is I'm going to add the cabbage. Kind of do this in stages because it takes a while for that cabbage to break down. Break some of the crunchy ones up a little bit, maybe. And pack that down a little bit more. You could add the potatoes if you like to add the potatoes first. I like to do the cabbage. That way it breaks down a little bit faster. There we go. We're going to let that simmer down for a little bit more, and we will be back. Okay, you want to start pulling your stuff up from below. That way some of the higher cabbage starts to wilt down. As you can see, we are majorly reduced the amount of cabbage it looks like it is. We didn't take any out, it's just the way it is. It'll wilt down and start shrinking. So once we're done with that, we're going to go start add some taters. And these little taters are perfect for this. I think these are about 2 pounds. Then move them around a little bit. You might say that's not that much broth. Well, it isn't, but once this cabbage starts breaking down, it'll release a lot of the moisture from it. So you don't want to overdo it. We will put some water in here in a little bit. Also some secret seasoning to make this taste even yummier. So we'll be back in a bit once this breaks down a little bit. So hang tight. Okay, as you can see, that has broken down quite a bit. And we have, let's see if I can get this in here without this chicken flavor bouillon. This stuff is good. Will you shut up? And I'm going to put about yay amount in there for now, because this stuff is really salty, so I haven't added any salt to this at all. That's why you didn't see me add salt, because we're adding the chicken bouillon, because it is salty. And as you can see, our broth has made its way up even with the cabbage and the potatoes. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook for a few hours, simmer away, and we will be back later on. So we will catch you in a bit. And welcome back. It is done. This cabbage and potato soup is ready to eat. Look at that. Oh man, it smells so good in this house. Oh, that's the best part, probably the best part of cooking a slow cooked meal, is smelling the smells at the end of the day. Ooh, good stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and scoot this over here a little bit so you can see my bowl, because if I don't show you guys my bowl, I'll get in trouble. Let's dump this stuff in there. Yes, I will make a mess, and I will clean the mess up. It's not like you guys are here to clean my messes up. Look at that. Ooh. Good stuff. Ooh, look at the steam come off there. Ooh. Lots of cabbage. Oh, yeah. That's good stuff. Ooh. And when it's cold outside, nothing warms you up better than a bowl of soup. No matter, it could be chicken noodle soup to a bowl of chili or cabbage and potato soup. With that, I will bid you farewell, and I will catch you on the next one. Happy cooking.